I am up and thankful and ready to go make some breakfast. So this morning I'm going to make the famous strong back porridge. And let me tell you something, guys. If you don't have one good Jamaican man, you surprise them stomach with that porridge here. After I take time to come in and want to wake up everybody. Surprise them stomach with this porridge. Write down the ingredients, pretend like you make it, and then give it to them for drink. And when come back and tell me in the comment section where they say, not tell them say YouTube no see it pando, you know. Not tell them that. Pretend like uno come up with no own ingredients, okay? Alright, that's it. So let's go in at the ingredients right now. So making this famous Jamaican porridge. So right here we have some Irish mash. I just use like a handful. I wash it off several times. I have oatmeal. I have nutmeg. Yes, half a nutmeg. I have 3 green plantain, very big, and a ripe plantain. Normally I use ripe banana, but I don't have any, so I'm going to use the ripe plantain. I have coconut milk, salt. I'm not going to use the salt. I have cinnamon powder, cornmeal, vanilla. This is rose and almond from Jamaica. So I peel the plantain, wash them, cut them up, and then I'm going to just blend them right now. So something I leave from my ingredients, which is some raw peanuts. Yes. So I'm going to wash this now, and then I'm going to blend that with the Irish mash. So the Irish mash have to wash very well because of the salt, and it will make your porridge raw. So I soak it in some warm water and then just wash it off several times with cold water. So as you can see, I add the blended plantain, and if I don't mix it in the pot was boiling, it have to be mixed because it will get lumpy. So you have to be mix it for a while. Okay, so these are teaspoon. So I'm just gonna I had a teaspoon of cinnamon and the mix. I had 3 teaspoons of the rose and almond, and I need to add some vanilla, two teaspoons. I am going to grate out the nutmeg in the pot. So while I mix everything, I'm just going to leave it to boil for 45 minutes to 1 hour on a medium, and then bring it down to a low heat. So this is going to cook for an hour. Yes, 45 minutes to an hour. So the porridge is finished, and it's time to have me a bowl. It's well boiled. So here is my bowl, and I'm going to have this right now. Mix it with some honey. I'm going to sweeten it, and then add some crackers to it. So this is what I'm going to have right now. But guys, I have container out my porridge for the next couple of days. I have porridge mostly for breakfast, me and my husband. So every morning I warm up one of these container. I put it in the pot with a little bit of water, cover it up, and put it on low heat and let it re-boiled. I'm telling you, it tastes like you just boiled it. It's so good. Yes, and then we mix it and have it. Just add a little water to it with the ice and everything. Put it in the pot and just cover it up and let it reheat. Don't throw away your porridge. Alright, so as you guys see, here's my porridge. I mix it because I realized that I can't use the honey in the porridge and boil it. So I decided to mix it right before I eat it because it's hot, so it dissolves pretty quick. And what I do is I like my crackers in my porridge. But yeah, let's get into it right now. I'm having breakfast by myself. It's now late because I'll be gone work, so I'm just having breakfast by myself. What are you guys having for breakfast? This is how I like my porridge. So after I mix the porridge, make it with my you want porridge? Huh? Not so much. Just they have hot sauce? Hot sauce? Yeah. You're not gonna work?
No, no. Come on, maybe not schedule. Next week,